Tom Edgar interview, take 5. All my life, I've enjoyed learning how things work. Why do things happen the way they do? How do the pieces fit together? It's just a great way of looking at the world. I got into astronomy and very quickly got into how telescopes work. I've built 6 so far. There are just so many different aspects to it that make it fascinating. I'm the quintessential engineering nerd, except I like people, and that's why I've enjoyed teaching. I have a PhD in engineering and was a professor for 34 years. My students thrilled me, they kept me young. I retired in 2015. At the same time as my wife, Sally and I were a very happy couple. Everybody used to laugh that we were joined at the hip. We had a wonderful marriage, but days after our 49th anniversary, she was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and it was going to be terminal. Before she died, she told me, go out and live your life, enjoy yourself, meet with friends, travel. I've been trying to do that, to live life as she wanted me to. But I was diagnosed with a heart valve disease, referred to as aortic stenosis. I was feeling fine, but my echocardiograms had gotten progressively worse.
When I met Thom, we did a stress test which showed he truly had no symptoms, but his aortic stenosis had progressed from moderate to severe.
Dr. Oldermeyer indicated that I had several options. One was to let it go on until I started showing symptoms.
But heart valve failure can lead to hospitalizations and a change in quality of life if left untreated, and we certainly didn't want this to happen in Thom's case.
Or he said I could do a TAVR procedure before my heart had any significant damage.
We know that TAVR is effective and that treating it earlier in the disease process has better outcomes. So waiting isn't winning.
There was no question that this is what I should be doing. And I said, you bet, let's go.
Thom's procedure went very well. It took about an hour and a half, and he was able to be on his feet within 6 hours.
I was released the next morning, and I came home and was back to normal very soon. Now I'm feeling great, and I've been doing things actively ever since. There is a great campground that I go to at 9,200 feet. It's dark, it is open, and I'm able to do a lot of good star sighting up there. When I'm out at night looking at galaxies, a nebula or a star cluster or comets, the light came from light years away and it's right there at your eye. That is just exciting. I think Sally would be proud of what I've been doing.
Thom is doing very well, and it's very gratifying to be able to treat patients earlier in the disease process.
Getting TAVR early gave me an opportunity to go on and live my life. And I would do it again in a heartbeat, so to speak.